Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I'm going to explain about option trading. So most of the people are going behind option trading and they don't know what is CE and PE. So today I'm going to explain like what is CE and what is PE and how we have to trade based on market and what is option selling. So all those things I'm going to explain this video. So kindly watch completely, then only you'll be getting a better idea, because nowadays we know like most of the people are going behind option trading. The major reason is that in the option trading we need only less investment, so that is the reason most of the people are going big into option trading. So today I'm going to explain like each and every points of option trading, so kindly watch completely, then you will be getting a better idea about option trading. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. Okay, the first thing we have to open any of the application, because I am using Angel Broking application and I have opened Angel Broking application, and here you can see like what are the options. Like when you are going for an option trading, you can see like options are two types. So the first thing is like when you are going for a bank nifty or nifty, their options will be expiring on every Thursday of the week. It means every week there will be an expiry of bank nifty and nifty. And when you are going with a stock option, the stock option will be expiring on every month. So last Thursday of every month there will be expiry of stock option. So always you have to be careful, like when you are going for an option on bank nifty, it will be expiring on every week, and nifty and the same way if you are going for a stock option, it will be expiring on every month. So always you have to keep this difference. So the first thing I am going to explain about nifty. First I will show you about nifty. So let me open nifty chart here, and here you can see the nifty chart. So once you click on nifty, you can see the option chain here. So today is the 30th July and today is an expiry, and you know like every week Thursday is an expiry of nifty and bank nifty. And here you can see the call will be like when the market is going up, the call means C side, the C side will be going up, and when the market is down, the P side will be going up. So that is the concept of CE. Like if you are going for any CE, when the market is up, the CE will be going up, and in the same way when you are going for a PE, the market the nifty has to fall down. And today you can see the nifty is fallen down, and if you see the entire CE, you can see here it is negative. It means the market is down. So here you can see the 11,200 CE is down almost 60 points, and here if you see the same PE here, same P here you can see almost 28 points up. It means today market is down and P's are going up. So this is a major concept you have to keep in mind. Like whenever you are going for a option, you have to be very careful. If market is going up or if the particular stock is going up, you can go into C, otherwise you have to go into P. And there is again one more problem, like when you are going into a C or P, there is one more problem, like you have to always think before taking an entry. So for example, you know like today's the market is down, like now almost 100 point is down, and you are thinking okay, I have to go and buy any C's. Like for example, I am telling like today's the market is down, and if you are going for a P, like for example, you are thinking okay, the market is almost 200 points down now, so I have to buy maybe a PE like which is cheaper. Like here you can see like maybe 11,000 you can see the P. Okay, so P is also negative. So some people will ask why this is also negative, because market is negative and I am buying a P where I am getting loss. Why means when there is an expiry, like because bank nifty and nifty will be expiring on every week, and when you are buying like far, like it is because right now the nifty's rate is 11,100, and if you are buying like very far, the nifty is not going to reach that level. It means it has to go zero. So if you are buying very far, you won't be getting any profit. So always you have to buy. So if you are you should buy nearby the strike rate. You can see like if you are going for a P, like whichever P is above the rate, like 11,300 is like almost, you can see here it is almost 80 points up now. So like if you are going like far, okay, P has to be very near. If you can buy like 11,100 also, because the current rate. So there you will be getting profit. But when you are going into a like far, like 10,900, you may thinking okay, you are thinking okay, because the risk is less, because it is only 50 paisa. So the maximum risk is like almost 50 rupees, like per lot it is like maximum risk is around 50 rupees. So you are thinking 50 rupees only I am taking risk, I can buy 10 lot. But you have to think about the reality that 50 points or 50 paisa is not going to reach there, because the Nifty has to fall almost 200 points. So that is not possible today, because already Nifty has fallen 100 points. So you have to trade nearby the strike rate. And in the same way, like when you are going for a CE also, you have to trade nearby the strike rate. If you see here, see for example, you are thinking right now 11,100 is a Nifty rate. So if you see 11,200, so rate is only 3 rupees. Here you can see. But this 100 point, if it is not going to that level, it will be definitely 0. So you are thinking, okay, your risk is only 3 points. 3 point means only around 200 rupees you are taking risk. So it's a natural thinking. But when you are thinking about the reality, the Nifty is not going to be that level. And you can see like now the premium will be going very fast, because today is an expiry as well as. And here you can see 11,300, it is going to be a 0. And if, like whenever you are going up, the rate will be coming down, but the risk will be increasing, because that level it is not going to reach. So you will be losing the entire money. Whereas if you are taking like if the market is down, or if today market is up, you can take like around 11,200. So only 2 rupees means it can increase to maybe 5 rupees or 10 rupees or even 50 rupees also it can increase. So always you have to trade nearby the strike rate. So how you can identify the strike rate is that you have to see the future rate here. So here you can see 11,126. That is a strike rate. So always you have to remember, okay, this is a strike rate and I have to buy nearby that. So maybe 50 points up and down is fine. Like if you are going for a CE, you can take around 11,150, and in the same way you can take a PE also. Same rate, or 11,100 also you can take. So always nearby the nearby you have to take. If you are going very far, definitely if market falling down or market is going up, you will be getting low. So always you have to keep in this mind. Always you have to keep this in mind, so that only you have to trade. Like always you have to trade nearby the strike rate. Now I am going to explain about stock option. Like when you are going for a stock option, the same strategy, okay, like whatever you are doing in the Nifty or Bank Nifty, the same strategy will be applicable in stock option. But stock option, like you can see here, the expiry will be on every month. So last Thursday of every month there will be an expiry. So because you can see today is the 30th July and today is an expiry. And the same thing you have to keep in mind, like when you are going for an option trading, here you can see the Reliance current rate is 2,100. And you have to see like where is 2,100 here, and like whichever is above that, if you are thinking, okay, like that level it is not going to reach today, means it is all those C's will be going into 0. So here you can see after that 2,120 is only 4 rupees. So you are thinking, okay, only 4 rupees you are going to take, and Reliance lot size is 500. So your maximum risk is 2,000 rupees. So you are thinking, okay, I am taking only 2,000 risk. But when you are taking that risk, the entire capital is going to wash out. So that is the major thing you have to keep in mind. So like you are thinking, okay, your risk is only 2,000, but that 2,000 risk is like it is going to completely lose. So always you have to very careful, like when you are buying an option. So always you have to buy nearby the current rate. If you are now going like, for example, you can take like around here, you can see like 2,200. So only 0.5. It means it is not going to reach that level. That is the reality, because 100 point Reliance is not going to increase today, because today is an expiry and it has to go to 0. So that is the reason it is going to 0. And here you can see now the market, sometimes like, for example, you are taking maybe, you can just take an example, okay, right now you are taking 2,140 and there is only 1 rupees, okay, 1.20. And you are thinking, okay, now the market may go another 5 points. So 5 points if it is going increase also, this won't be increasing, because this will be decreasing, because now the expiry is almost near. And now you can see the premiums are coming down, like each points like 1 rupee is coming down, it will be like soon it will be going into 0. And the same way when you are going into a PE side, same way you have to, if market is going down, you can buy the PE, okay, if Reliance is going down, you can buy a PE. And always you have to remember, like when you are going for a PE, you have to buy nearby the strike rate. If you are not buying nearby the strike rate, definitely you will be getting loss. So here you can see like whichever P's are above that 2,160, it is almost 58, and coming down always again to 2,100 is only 10 rupees. So like coming down, the rate also will be coming down. So always you have to remember, like if the market is during the expiry days, you have to buy nearby the strike rate, and the risk also will be more. Like if things are not going to your level, the entire amount can be washed out. Here you can see, just I explained to you now. See now here, it was like when I was explaining, it was almost 1.20. Now you see within second, it was gone to 25, it means almost 500 rupees you are lost. And if you see the market is only like 2 points down, within 2 points you will be losing. Now you can see here the entire amount you are losing. So almost 500 rupees you are taking risk. You are thinking only 500 or 700 rupees risk, and that 700 rupees risk within 2 minutes it is gone off. So that is what you have to think. Like when you are going for an option trading, you have to keep all those things in mind. And when you are going for a C side, you have to buy nearby the strike rate. And also when you are taking by nearby strike rate, also you have to make sure this market has to go up. Otherwise the entire amount will be going off. Here only you can see, like within a second right now you can see the market has come to the same level. But the P rate you can see now, still now it is 60 points. Why means today is an expiry, and the major thing of market is during the expiry only the premium will be going down. So you have to be very careful, and here you can see that within that second the prices are going down. So it means it has to go to 0. So because you can see the time also now almost to 2:30. So maybe another 1 hour to close the market. So their premium will be premium reduction will be faster. So this is the major concept about option buying. So when you are going for an option buying, you can buy the C side, or as well as you can buy the P side also. If the market is up, the C side will be going up, and when you are going very far off the current strike rate, the C's may not go up also. So always you have to keep those things in mind. So you can identify the strike rate based on the current value. Here you can see the strike rate of Reliance is 2104. So that is the strike rate of Reliance. So based on that you can identify, okay, what is the strike rate of Reliance, or what is the strike rate of Bank Nifty, and based on that you have to decide, okay, this is going down, then you can buy P, and if it is going up you can buy C. So this is the major basics about option trading. And here you can see, like now the same way you can sell the options also. Like for example, you know, like this point is not reached now because the market is going to down. So in that case you can go here and you can sell the option also. But the major concept, major problem of option selling is that you need a huge premium, because like when buying you need only maximum 500 rupees. If you have an account you can buy the same premium, same C. But when you are going for a selling, sometimes they will ask you 10,000 or 20,000. So that is the reason you are not able to sell the option. So this is all about option selling. And when you are going for an option selling, you can sell far away. Like what I told you, like when you are going for a option buying, you have to buy nearby the strike rate. And when you are going for an option selling, yeah, very far. Like for example, you know, this level 2200 C is not going to reach today. So you can sell that and you can make the entire profit. But the only thing is that when you are selling that, you won't be getting much profit. Why means, you know, you can see the rate only 0.5. So only for the 0.5 you are taking unlimited risk. So that is the reason most of the people are not going behind option selling, because option selling is a definite profit, but the profit level is very less. Like you will be getting only 1 point or 2 points. So here also you can see, like for example 2140, if you sell, you can get maximum 40. This 1 point you will be getting definitely, because today Reliance is not going to be that level, because another 40 point is not possible within 1 hour, or it can happen, but in reality sometimes it won't happen. Like people are thinking, okay, this is not going to be this level, I am going to sell, and this 500 rupees you will be getting definitely. So this is all about option selling, CEP. So if you have any doubts, any clarification, you can comment below this video. Okay, in the same way I have started a WhatsApp group as well as a Telegram group to help the beginners. So like those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my Telegram channel. I will show you. So this is my Telegram channel to help the beginners. And here also you can see, like today I have told to buy Bank Nifty P. So why means today market was down, because I was sure, and you can see, like I told to buy at 11 rupees and my target was 30 rupees. And you can see within 15 to 20 minutes my target is achieved. And you can see here why I have told to buy. And you can see, like there was a proper breakout of Bank Nifty. So always you have to see, like when there is a breakout of support or resistance, then only you have to enter into a market. If you are like without knowing the market, don't enter into a market. Like if you are going for an option trading, I will tell you, like my personal opinion, I am telling you, like if you don't know market, don't enter into a market. First learn the market, then only enter into a market. Then only you can make a better profit. Here you can see the support was broken and Nifty was gone to second level of support. So that is the reason we could enter, and here you can see I could make almost 1,700 rupees. And a lot of people, you can see, like what is the profit they have made here. You can see 800, 2,800. So a lot of people made a profit. And in the same way here, in the same way I created a group both in WhatsApp as well as in Telegram. So some people are not able to join in WhatsApp because the group is almost full right now. So if you are not able to join in WhatsApp, you can join in my Telegram also. Same link I have given in the description. So both link I have given in description. So kindly join either in WhatsApp or Telegram. So same thing only I will be providing here also. You can see here. So if you see overall of Bank Nifty chart, you can see here only, because I have given a call at 22,100 and it was support, pivot point was broken and the support point was broken. So that is the reason I have told to buy PE, because I know market is going to fall down. And immediately you can see like it was went to support 1 and it went to support 2 also. It means there is a huge support. So that is the reason you can see like what is the target. I was given 30, and currently if you see the same thing, you can see here in the chart. You can see right now it is still now it is 170. Now it went to almost 200. You can see the high also. Today's high is 153. It means almost 240 points up. So that is the reason how you have to understand the market. So if you are entering into a market, first thing you have to learn the market. Then only you have to enter into a market. Okay, in the same way, if anyone interested to learn more about market, you can join. You can visit my YouTube channel Lipinij, and you can see a lot of videos related to market. So if those who are interested to learn and grow in market, you can kindly you have to subscribe to this channel, so that you will be getting a lot of ideas related to market. So you can see a lot of channel in the market. So they will be giving you only like the basic things of market, and they will not to see you like, okay, what is the risk in market, or like there are, you can see a lot of channels are having like 100 million viewers and all. But when you open that channel, there is no content at all. Just they are coming and they are talking about something and they are leaving off. But they are not guiding you like where to invest or what is the risk in market. So all those things they are not explaining in a proper way. So in this channel, I am helping you to understand like what is the risk in market, where we have to invest. So all the things I will be explaining you. So kindly subscribe to my channel, so that let us grow together. So I will be helping you out to overcome from your difficulties. I will be helping you to recover your old losses. All those things I will be helping you. The same way I am helping you with free tips, and I am giving lot of things in advance. Like if you see other group, they will be giving you like after market hours, they will be saying, okay, today's Nifty is down, today Bank Nifty is down, this is the point is done. But I am giving everything in advance. So if you see in overall channel, not even a single channel will be providing you in advance. So only this channel you will be getting everything in advance, so that you can make a profit by yourself, and you can say buy, you can say buy to advisories, start learning by yourself and make money. So this channel will help you out, and the same way if you have any clarification, you can comment, so that I will be helping you out. Okay, in the same way, if anyone interested to open an account with Alice Blue or Angel Broking, you can contact me. The link I have given in the description. Okay, you can open the account by clicking the link. And if you need any support or anything, I will be helping you out. So hope this topic is very clear, and if you need any clarification on CE or PE or what is option selling, you can just comment below this video, so that I will be responding to each one of you. So if you have any clarification or any feedback, you can comment below this video. And if you are really satisfied with this video, kindly like my video. In the same way, you can share to your friends who are interested in trading. So kindly subscribe, share, like. Thanks for watching.